Hi, I'm back with another video. This time will be something different. As you know, I love to do planners. I love to work on memory, how do you call uh, project life. So this is like one of my, I actually transferred. I used to have this in the big project life, and I noticed that I love to have in just the smaller ones too, like these. And so I decided that now that let me show you just a little here. This is the new bullet journal project life one that I am working, and I have some of the items that I used to have when I was subscribed to Studio Calico. And then I noticed that I ran out because I tried to then buy it, and I have a little box that where I put everything, and I think I will do a separate video to show you how it works. So I subscribed to two different companies. I didn't subscribe again to Studio Calico because I was trying to find two that has different price, and it was almost the same than the previous subscription that I was doing for books that I stopped. And so I got Ali Edwards. That's one of the subscriptions I will show you today, and this is what I got. So this is a mystery bag that you get for $1. Let's open this. I like this sticker. Maybe I will save. It's like, I think it's dice. So what we get on this little bag? Okay. I just wanted to know how much it was worth it to get for $1 these kind of things, but these words, different kind of words that you can use also on your project life. So this black mode now no more he me little words. I was actually expecting to be more like the forms and everything, but I will use will I request another mystery bag? I don't think so. It's not bad, but it's not really what I was expecting, and for $1 I think it's okay. So this is one of the mystery bags that they give you. Let's see now. This one will be the, what is the name of this one? Traveler's Kit, I believe. It comes in a little plastic bag. Do you remember the bags that came on the Studio Calico? Let me show you. So these were the Studio Calico bags. If you see, it's of course a little bigger, but it was more expensive also what you get in these. I got these bags like, I'm talking about 5 to 6 years ago. I think they changed the way that the bags look now. Anyway, I love this bag. It's a small one, and it can be the project for the month. And that is what I got. Is a story by the month, I believe so. The cost of the subscription is $14 per month, and this was the July one. It comes with these stamps, really cute stamps. Let me go closer for you so you can appreciate. The stamps come with fun looks like, party time, celebrate you like, and take it easy. I think every stamp that comes on this set comes with 5 different stamping clear stamps. I got stars, very appropriate for July 4. By the way, the noise that you hear is Frosty. I think every time that I do a video, no matter what kind of video I do, he comes with one of the Chewy and Place or Chew here, or then it has the previous video he was sleeping and dreaming. So I got these beautiful, they are really cute. They will work really good with July 4th, celebrate July. Then what we have here, oh, words. This is cute. It's a today, loving, celebrate, bring on July, fun pull day, watching, love. I love these because you can use these ones on different pictures or cards, I really will be using a lot of these. I noticed that other things that you can do is just when you are printing your pictures, you can just put the words there, but sometimes you don't know how the pictures will go and what you will put in the pictures, so that is good to have these extra ones. Has numbers, yes, yay, here, the story, boom, take it easy. Love this idea. Really love the idea of having already some words. What do we have here? We have the set of cards. Let's open. I think this is the small set. Okay, so we have one. These are the cards. Let's go a little far now. Trying to play in a way that you can see. Don't wait for extraordinary opportunities. Size common occasions and make them great. Orison Sweet Martin. Yes, here is the story. I love, you can have a picture or something there. Take it easy. Party time. This is a nice yellowish. It goes really good with the theme color, you know. This is where the fun stuff happen. Fun looks like this. And July details. Loving, watching, listening, eating. I like this. It's like really, really cute. So those are the small ones. Let's go for the big ones. Repeat after me. I'm gonna be free and I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna live each day as if it were my last. Fantastical, courageous, with grace. Miranda July? Miranda July. There is a certain happiness in being silly and ridiculous. I love that. Celebrate July. Yes. Perfect, because you can begin your scrapbook or your memory life, whatever you want to build on that for July there. Things I love about July, things I don't like about July. Very pretty. And now what else we have here? Oh, another of the cartoon is saying, the more you prize and celebrate your life, the more that is in life there is in life to celebrate. Oprah. I really love this. Maybe the color is not coordinated with that one, but I'm sure that I will use this. It's really nice message. And now we have these chipboards. That's how you call this one. You have swimming, road trip, July 4th. So fun. Soak up the sun. Celebrate. Let's just hang out. Do nothing. I love that. Bring on the boom. This month looks like this. Remembering, get outside, see, what? Oh, so ready to get out of here. I need a picture of my work. Just at work there. Take it easy and enjoy life. So, I think this is a really nice kit for the price that you paid. $14 for this kit is one of the cheapest subscriptions that you get for Project Life, and you get to think a lot for what you paid. Oops, what did it fall? Did I make fall something? More stars here. Your little project, and this is just the dollar thing that I don't think I will request again. How it works with the pages that you have on the memory keeping page for Happy Planner. So these are what you get when you buy the page for Happy Planner, the clear. Let me show to you here. Let's move this 1 second. In case that you're trying to work also with like this, I have mine like out, all that I use, and sometimes I just cut in half some of them because I will not need all of those. But it comes like these little squares that I use sometimes when like this, let me see here, like I have my veggies and where I got the veggies, the time that I planted. It's kind of control, and you can do also for food or something, like if you want to organize your food. Then you have these other ones, it comes all mixed. That is like for 4 little pictures. Let me see the size of this. And remember, you always can cut or add more. Like, can it fit? Oh yes, it fit. It's just a tiny smaller than that, but I don't feel like it will bother me. And if it bothers me for some reason, I can put a background of another color in the back side. So it works really good for this size. The other thing is, like, sometimes you have cards that, like this one, that you maybe want to use just like a background, or you maybe want to cut a smaller, and you can get little squares where you can also add some other pictures. So just giving you ideas of how can you use all these. Then you have the large one. Let's see the size of this for big pictures. And I think you can also use these ones here. Yep, it will work perfect in this. If you put all the way to one side, you get this extra and that, and like I said, you can just get extra paper and put a background of another color there if you want, or just keeping this way simple, but also you can put more decoration. So this is working good so far. That was one of the things that I wanted to make sure. Then you get the other one that you can make a mix of things. Where is it's not this here, where you can have a big one and 2 smalls. We are talking just the size, but remember, you will be using sometimes pictures of items that you use. So yeah, this works good. I'm happy that I got this, and I have another subscription that I will show in another time too, as soon as it arrives, because it's the first month that I am doing these ones. And I will show you what I can do with all these. So this is July, the story by the month by Ali Edwards. It comes with big birds, smaller ones, that it will work good if you are doing just the Happy Planner memory keeping. You have words, you have stamps, clipboard or chipboard, and then you have all these wood veneers with stars. I think it's a really nice set and kit. $14 monthly. What do you think? So I will see you soon. I will be doing a little of the memory life with some of the pictures. If I didn't want to do it today with all together, because I wanted to introduce you to what I got and why I'm getting this, and how I will use everything on my Happy Planner memory keeping pages. Like I say, it works good. I love that you can change things. This is one of the small ones that came from another kit, and if you see, it doesn't bother if something is smaller than what you have. It's still looking good, it's still working good. Maybe the background here is not helping, but I think it's still looking good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to watch more of these kind of videos. I will be sharing my monthly subscription, and maybe I will share how I put together my my pages when I work these. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye bye.